In this video, I'll show you how to add a bill in Xero. First, sign into your Xero account and go to Business, then select Bills to Pay. Click New Bill to create a new bill for a supplier. Next, select the supplier from your contacts or create a new contact if needed. Enter the bill date, due date, invoice number, and any reference details shown on the supplier's invoice. After that, add the line items for the bill by entering the description, quantity, unit price, account code, and tax rate for each item. Review the subtotal, tax, and total amount to make sure everything matches the original invoice. If you have a digital copy of the bill, upload it as an attachment so it's stored with the transaction. Now, review all of the bill information carefully. If everything is correct, click Approve to record the bill and make it available for payment. If you're not ready to finalize it, you can save it as a draft and return to it later. Finally, go back to the Bills to Pay section whenever you need to review outstanding bills, schedule payments, or mark a bill as paid after the payment has been completed. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to add a bill in Xero. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.